No.
Hey guys, I'm Jenna. Sarah.
Hi.
And we are in the middle of a trail ride right now. Just riding around, having fun.
This is my horse Malachi. Malachi.
That's my dad up there. Yeah.
Yep.
We are headed home right now.
Oh.
Chicken.
Oh my gosh, it's really wiggly. What was that?
My dad just heard a frog.
Hey, Gianna. Come.
Hi guys.
Wait, no. Come here. Wait, go slower for a second. Oh no. Here. Here.
Hold it. Come on,
Take it.
closer.
I can't. Wait. Wait, come on. Here we go. Come on, horse. Okay, here you go. Take it. Okay, here we go. Oh. I know, hold on. Alright. It's a little wobbly because my horse is excited to go home. Trying to make her stop. It's kind of tricky with one hand. There's Tara. Ooh, ooh. You like the tail we braided it earlier? Having fun in the woods. Oh, there's Tara.
She didn't even see you. Inside your face.
Okay, here you go. I don't know if it works. Okay, stop. Bye. Bye. See ya later.